My name is Marleen Kormans. I am the Director of JBI Belgium, a JBI affiliated group. I want to talk to you about the importance of including a module on clinical leadership in an evidence implementation course. Implementation sciences are a hot topic these days. Implementation sciences usually offer a way or a framework to successfully deal with the implementation practice gap. To this end, JBI has developed an implementation training that was itself fully grounded in evidence. An important part of this training is the clinical leadership workshop. Clinical leadership is about the way someone in clinical practice has or takes the control to represent the interests of their clients. This module is not often found in other modules for implementations. Yet it is particularly valuable in an implementation training program. Indeed, it is not enough to offer a strategy or a framework for doing implementation in an organization if everyone involved does not feel they have a say in supporting the change. So it is more than a manager's responsibility and also more than other known styles of leadership. In the module on clinical leadership, we discuss how each participant in a team can take up this leadership at their level, in their way and at their time. Often this is about hierarchy. Can a cleaning lady address a doctor when he still has his watch on during the doctor's rounds in a hospital? Is it always the doctor's responsibility to coach clients' needs? If we do not bring these discussions to the table, working on implementation is doomed to failure beforehand. After all, implementations are rarely monodisciplinary, just as healthcare rarely is monodisciplinary. In a recent pilot project carried out using the JBI implementation framework in a Belgian residential care home, the reaction of the quality officer after attending the clinical leadership workshop was that she felt that every staff member of the residential care home should attend the module. A similar response was given by a group of GPs who attended the clinical leadership workshop. They told that with this course, an important item had become negotiable for them. With current developments in Belgium, where more and more GPs are working in group practices where multidisciplinary paramedics work together, they are almost automatically assigned the position of a leader. And not every GP is equally happy or adept to this. It is not the grade of your degree that determines your level of leadership. Taking part in the course, opening the discussion, mandating other team members to take control is a start to make implementation in practice successful.